How are you, dear students, and welcome back to our new math session of today. So, our today's math session, it's about patterns. Patterns again. We learned from the last time that patterns, we can follow a specific rule. We have a rule and we can follow this rule, but we learned about addition and subtract, how to add numbers and give us the rest of this sequence, and how to subtract. But in our today's lesson, number rules, we will complete these rules by multiplication and division. So let's go right now by this example. We have the rule as we learned from the last session. Rule. This rule says multiply by 6. Please multiply by 6. And here we have number of bags and we have number of juice boxes. Right now I have 1 and my rule is multiply. This is my rule. Multiply by 6. He's asking you, please multiply by 6. So if we multiply 1 by 6, it will be 6. 2 times 6, it will be 12. 3 times 6, it will be 18. We have here 4, 5, and 6, and we don't know what the answers are. So right here, where's our rule? Yes, multiply by 6. And I have 4 here. So 4 times 6, it will be, who can answer? Yes, perfect, 24. Now 5 times 6, who can answer? Yes, 30. Now the next question, 6 multiplied by 6, it will be 33. So let's move now to the next question here. Here in this question, he said that the rule for this table is multiply by 4. This is our rule. Yes, we are following this rule now. Multiply by 4. What number does not belong? Which number is not belong to this? It means we have one number is not correct. Yes, is not correct. We have a mistake. Who can discover this mistake? I have here the rule says multiply by 4, please. So 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4, it will be 12. 4 times 4, it will be 50. Yes, perfect. Who said, teacher, you are not correct? Yes, I say to him, yes, the mistake is here, not equal 15. It will be 16. So let's move to the next question right now. We have another table, and here I have the rule says divide by 4. Divide by 4. Now I have here 8 divided by 4 equals 2. We have 12 divided by 4 equal 3. If we have 16 divided by 4 equals 4, and now the question, what is the missed number? Where is this missed number? Yes, who can answer? If we have this rule, divide by 4. I have 12 and we said divide by 4, it equals 5. So right now let's move to the next question. We have the rule says multiply by 8, and I have here number of spiders and we have number of legs. If I have one spider, the spider has 8 legs. So if you have 2 spiders, how many legs? If we have this rule multiply by 8, you multiply by 8, it will be, who can answer this question? Let's give this question for grade 4A, for example, for Blal, Majid, Isa, Sulaiman, Hamza. For example, you can answer this? Yes, perfect. I know that some person of you answered this question 16. And let's go to the next part. Let's continue with 4A. You can continue this question with me. Oh, where's Samih, Laith, Muhammad al-Bakshi, Abdulaziz? Where's Hussein al-Battat and Abdullah Saleh? Where are you guys? You have to answer now. Yes, perfect. The person who said 40. You are correct. Let's move to another question. I have question 4. Also, the rule says divide by 5. Let's give this question for grade 4B, for example, who can answer with me. For example, I give you some students to answer. Where's Yusuf Elyamany, Yusuf Ramadan? Where's Qasim, Ali, Hasher? You can answer this question. We have 5 divided by 5 equals 1. We have 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now, it's a turn of you. We have 15 divided by 5. Who? Yes, perfect. The person who said 3. And 20 divided by 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this equals 4. Equals 4. Now, let's take this question. We have question number 5. Multiply by 16. It's hard, more hard. It's harder than the previous ones. Oh, sorry, it's appear. But who can answer this 4? Number 4. We have 1 times 16 equals 16. We have 2 times 16 equals 32. We have 3 times 16 equals 48. I give you some time or short time for you now to answer with me this question. Oh, you answer. I answered, by the way. Okay, let's move to the next one. Let's imagine that we answer this question together. For example, I give this question for students Hussein from grade 4B. Not Hussein only, Hussein, Abdullah, Fahad, Faisal. Where is Majd Sabir? You can answer this question easily. I have double Muhammads in my classroom also. I have Muhammad Sami and Muhammad Suhail. Where's Mustafa? Where's Ryan? All these students can answer this question easily. So, let's start. Yes, I start with you. I have here 12 divided by 2. It will be 6. Now, I have 14 divided by 2 equals 7. I have here 16 divided by 2. It equals, yes, perfect, who said 8. And here I have 18 divided by 2. It will be, yes, perfect, 9. Guys, as I told you at the beginning of this session, it's just like a game, not a hard session. This part, chapter 4, we have the patterns of multiplication and division, also addition and subtract, how to subtract numbers. All these just like a game, not hard questions or not hard sessions, but actually have to know how to follow a sequence and how to follow a specific rule like this. You say, please divide by 2 in the whole sequence like this. I wish you all the best of luck, and I wish you to be in a good health, and see you the next time, another session. We have just today's homework. We have a homework sheet. Please try to answer it. It's not hard. It's just like, as I told you the third time, it's like a game. Try to practice here, and you can send me your answers after you finish this. Thanks so much for watching this video and for listening. Thanks so much, guys. See you next session, inshallah, and next week. Thanks so much.